Google. And see, we should be live. Okay. Alright, so right now we are tracking the severe thunderstorms moving through southern New Hampshire, southern Vermont. We are keeping an eye on this storm. It's currently 9 o'clock. But we are going to be covering the strong thunderstorms that are moving through southern New Hampshire right now. Southern Vermont. Let's go ahead and get the radar site pulled up. So I'm going to go to the closest one to Vermont right now, which is in New York, which is Albany. So again, this storm is severe thunderstorm warned by the National Weather Service. I do have the National Weather Service radio playing in the background. Okay, so once we wait for the radar to download, we should have that being pulled up in momentarily. Let's get the pen loaded up. Alright, just getting ready to start streaming. And this thunderstorm popped up on me. So we are currently tracking 2 thunderstorms, one in northern Vermont and into western New Hampshire, and now one in southern Vermont. As you can see on this radar, it is just a spectacular sight right now. These storms are very strong. They have been severe thunderstorm warned. They are moving to the northeast. So around, I would say I was checking the hourly forecast and the radar. So it's looking like areas like Keene, you'll be seeing this storm moving into your area within the next couple of hours. And pretty much by 11 o'clock to midnight, anywhere in this area, we are keeping an eye on this area. Near Milford, Wilton, Greenville, Nashua, Londonderry, Peterborough, New Boston. We are still keeping an eye on you because this is the bullseye for a potential severe to strong to severe thunderstorm moving through. Will be moving through in the next couple of hours, I can say. We do have a more widespread area of showers and thunderstorms in southern Massachusetts, North Adams, South Derryfield, Greenfield, Massachusetts. You guys are all under a strong thunderstorm right now that is currently impacting you. I'm going to go to the current warnings, or watches and warnings map by the National Weather Service. So this is right now in Vermont. These storms are producing heavy rain, strong wind, strong damaging winds, and small hail are possible in these storms. Again, this entire area right there, sorry, but you can't see that color. Let's change that. So in this area right here, this is a severe thunderstorm warning, outlined in orange. The blue is a severe weather statement, which means you could be seeing severe weather, but it's possible, but it could be going there. We are tracking multiple more stronger thunderstorms moving through northern Vermont and to central New Hampshire. This one I'm not too concerned about. This is just an area of scattered downpours and showers. Not really too questioning at this time, but we are keeping an eye on this storm that is near the Lakes region, near Lebanon. Lebanon, in the next probably half an hour to an hour, you will be receiving this area of thunderstorms will be moving to the east as well. Heads up, Woodstock, you are just about to reach that thunderstorm. Plainfield, I would say that's going to be reaching your area within the next hour. So this storm again is moving to the northeast. I'm gonna make that projected path. So Plainfield, you might be getting that. So if we put the radar into motion real quick. Again, the storm looks like it's moving to the northeast, I would say. And it has gradually developed. Actually, it kind of looks like, yeah, it's looking like it's going to the northeast. So I will be tracking this storm throughout the night. We are going to continuing live coverage throughout the night of severe weather, potential or some severe weather is moving through the area, and will be moving through the area later tonight. And then again, we do have another possible thunderstorm that just moved through Newbury, Vermont. Livingston, you have a downpour. Littleton, Bethlehem, you could be seeing a stronger storm potentially moving through your area. So let's go ahead and put it into precipitation mode so I can see better what precipitation is happening. So looks like our severe thunderstorm warning just got posted for this storm. So let's actually go ahead and refresh this page. So it looks like that, unfortunately, this storm right here has lost its severe status by the National Weather Service. So it looks like it's starting to dissipate a little bit, but I'm not too sure. North Adams, where we were talking about just a few minutes ago, you do have a flash flood warning for this very, very heavy downpour coming to your area, probably an inch to an inch and a half per hour. Small hail has been reported with that storm. Also, there is that potential for damaging winds, and again, that heavy rainfall. Again, there's a line of thunderstorms extending from really northern New Hampshire down to southern New York. We are still keeping an eye on all of these thunderstorms moving into New Hampshire. They are not in New Hampshire at the moment, but it will be moving in within the next half an hour to an hour. So we will be continuing this live coverage for the next couple of hours, potentially for the next couple of hours. We might be doing this live coverage. So I'm going to put this into 3D mode, so we can go to rotation. I don't think there is going to be, looks like there might potentially be some rotation involved with this thunderstorm near New Fame. So again, anywhere in this blue or greenish color on radar could potentially be rotation. I'm not going to put it out there that it's rotation, but there is that chance that this could be severe warning again by the National Weather Service, or it could also be tornado warning by the National Weather Service. I'm doubting it's going to be tornado warning because there's not a lot of rotation, but and there's no reports of it. So let's go ahead and move the radar. So again, Hinsdale, you are going to be receiving a thunderstorm that could be potentially moving to your area within the next couple of hours, or I would say less than an hour, probably half an hour, 45 minutes until it impacts your area. And then again, a more widespread area of showers and downpours and thunderstorms in southern Massachusetts near Greenfield. This line right here is getting more organized. West Brattleboro, you could be seeing that chance for severe downpours. Let's change. Hold on, sorry about that. So again, right here, this line, looking like it might develop a more like a more organized status, because this is all not one storm. That's a storm. That's a storm. That's another storm, and then there's another storm down there, and another pretty large storm there. So let's go to the an online radar to see what that radar has to show. Where's your there we go. Let's go ahead and refresh this page to see if there are any potential severe thunderstorm warnings. Again, go to southern Vermont. This is a radar that I would recommend. The online radar is WMUR. It shows the area, or it can do multiple view layers. It can do lightning. I'm gonna put on storm tracks and lightning summary, so we can see the lightning strikes. So it looks like we just got a radar update. Let's go ahead and put that in full screen mode. This is looking like a thing. So these storms, so we got a few lightning strikes located with this thunderstorm near Brattleboro. You are going to be impacted by the northern part of the storm. Anywhere's I-91, or south, or just I-91 to the border right there of Vermont could potentially be seeing, or will most likely see, that stronger thunderstorm. So let's go ahead and move down. These storms are tracking to the northeast, near North Adams. Those storms are moving to the northeast. Greenfield, Massachusetts, not Greenfield, New Hampshire, right now. You could be seeing that southern edge of the thunderstorm. Again, these storms are producing heavy rainfall. Again, heavy rainfall and possible hail. Looks like we do have some hail near, I think it's, don't know how to pronounce that name, but near Paddlekill, I think, north of that. North of you have a hail track to the north. That northern storm does have a hail track, again located in this blue color, and that also is a stronger storm moving through. Looks like some of these areas are heavy rain. So this is actually in Connecticut, that's why. Okay. Not even close to New Hampshire. Alright, let's go back to these storms up here. Sorry about that. We do have some, again, we do have stronger thunderstorms moving to the southeast. That one are up near Norwich, south of Fairleigh, and to the southeast of Randolph. Lebanon, you right in smack dab middle of two thunderstorms right now that could potentially be moving to your area. But we do have that potential right here for strong, heavy rain, possible hail. You cannot rule out hail right now with these thunderstorms. Let's go ahead and put the... Actually, let's go back to our other radar software right here to check out what it's looking like here. Again, the rain is... or that storm is just moving into the borders. Let's go ahead and change the color back to white here. It looks like the rain is starting to make its way into southern New Hampshire with this line of thunderstorms that is very strong. So we are moving, that thunderstorm is moving through southern New Hampshire right now. That you will be moving southern New Hampshire in the next couple of hours, I'm assuming. So again, this stronger thunderstorm, alright, this storm, once you've been moving through, looks like it has been getting a little bit stronger. So I'm pretty sure this storm is going to be catching close to Keene right now. Right now, West Brattleboro, you are into that. But we are under that potential for severe thunderstorms tonight as this storm goes through. So I'm gonna leave the radar here, go get a drink, and I will be right back in the next couple of minutes for to continue this live continuous coverage throughout the night. Alright, sorry about that long term wait for me to come back. But while I was gone for that short amount of time, the storm did get, unfortunately, disorganized a little bit, but it has moved, or now has moved into New Hampshire. Looks like it's moving to the southeast now. So it's pretty much getting a lot less disorganized than it was when I was streaming before. You know, I'm not seeing too much going on up here, but I am curious of this more stronger storm. So let's go check this line. So it doesn't look too tall of a thunderstorm. Yeah, it does not look like there's any rotations. Let's go to... Ooh! That catches my eye. It kind of looks like right here, there is a chance that you could be seeing some rotation up in the atmosphere. But not very likely that you guys will see a tornado warning. It's not likely at all. So let's put a future radar into this and see where this storm will be going. Once this radar will load. There we go. So let's put this into future radar.
Friday night, partly cloudy until midnight, and mostly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, thunderstorms likely with a chance of showers. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 60s. Sunday, showers likely with scattered thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night
It does not look like this radar will want to load. So let's just reload the page. Just go to the National Weather Service radar. So this is what the National Weather Service radar for Gray right now has us. So again, more stronger storms up in northern New Hampshire. But yeah, nothing really too more. Or looks like this system has got a little bit more disorganized. So I'm probably not going to continue streaming. I will pop in as much as necessary once this, or in case this system gets a little bit stronger. Again, I'm not really saying any more strengthening. I'm seeing these storms getting more disorganized. Small, stronger storms moving through. Nothing too major, so I think I'm going to end the stream here for tonight. So I might do another live stream depending on what time it is and what storms comes into my area. Pretty much nothing on the radar right now, so that is catching my attention. So I will come back a little bit later at some point. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for another live stream later tonight or later this week, as more severe weather could be moving through the area. So again, thank you guys for watching, and